Hey everybody, it's Natasha with the Food Factor. Banana pudding and breakfast normally don't go together, but today breakfast is stress-free with this banana pudding overnight oats. Let's get into it. I have taken one banana and mashed it with a fork, and so now we're going to add the other ingredients, which is our old-fashioned oats, non-fat plain yogurt, skim milk, and then of course we have cinnamon, and two things that are optional are chia seeds and vanilla flavoring. Now it's time to stir. I have 4 8-ounce jars that I'm going to fill our oats with. Now these are ready to go into the fridge overnight. Okay, I'm getting the banana pudding oats out of the refrigerator, and now it's time to build the last pieces, which is graham crackers and a few slices of bananas, and that is banana pudding overnight oats.